Welcome to the first Master of None builds video. So I recently got a small gift, the Lego Technic 42132 motorcycle. This is a fairly quick build with only 163 pieces. So on a not so quiet Sunday afternoon where I couldn't record the flute, I decided to give this one a go. You can see me toying around with the placement of where stuff should be, as I'm not really sure what I want this video to look like. Here you have the options of a cruiser or chopper style bike compared to a naked style bike. As I've ridden a naked bike before and it wasn't that comfortable to me, I went for the cruiser style this time. I don't normally just lay out all my pieces on the mat, but there's not much in this piece and I don't really have anything to separate out the pieces. We start off with the frame first and then the tiny 3-cylinder engine. After I built it, I noticed that it wasn't spinning as it was getting blocked, and I realized I made the first mistake where the cam piece went. Rectifying that, it spins up smoothly and gives the satisfying motion of engine cylinders moving. Setting the engine in the frame, we continue with the frame and finish off with the fuel tank. I then add the seat and then the rear swing arm. After assembling the rear wheel and attaching it to the swing arm, I realized I've made a few mistakes. The first being that I've used the wrong sprockets for the engine and the wheel. Not that it would actually matter in this case, but we swap them around here, and here's a nice view of the side. The second mistake I realized soon after putting on the chain and trying to move the wheel, that the seat is floppy and it shouldn't be, as it's a bit hindering the movement of the wheel. So I had to take off the engine cover off the side and fix the seat, and almost losing it in the process. I noticed the third one straight after that, or rather the realization of the mistake as was set in essentially since the beginning, and it was me using a different color angle piece to what the rest of the engine was. It was quite a bit harder to get out because it was hidden a bit deeper, but I got there in the end. I was definitely not making these mistakes because I was watching my dress up darling at the same time while I was building this. After that, it was just the front assembly and it's all smooth sailing from here. I've built other Technic's bikes before, namely the Ducati Panigale V4R, but that's quite a bit bigger. This one is fairly simple, and simple builds have their own fun. You get the satisfaction of building something without having to use a couple of hour-long sessions, which at the end could feel out a bit of a chore sometimes. I quite like this one. It could have been cooler if there were no stickers, as I could never align them properly, but this is fine for what it is. Thank you for watching this random build video. I do have a few other builds lining up, like puzzles and models, but I'll put up whenever I actually get the time to do them. In the meantime, if you want to learn the flute, or if you do play the flute, then here is a couple of my videos. And I'll see you on the next video on Master of None. Bye!